Happy evening. Every time I am confronting you all through this cellular phone, I feel I'm so connected with you, though we are not connected in offline. That's very beautiful feeling. Though the COVID has distanced us, we are so connected with this. Really, really happy of it. So today's topic is very needful for you, and I'm damn sure it will give a very peaceful sleep for you. So peaceful sleep. Because once you have taken a very good sleep now, your entire day will be good tomorrow. Sleeping is the first reason. Okay, if you are not so sleepy in a night because of thinking something, no, you don't have a very good night sleep, therefore you cannot wake up very earlier in morning, so the entire day will be go wrong. So this topic really makes you a very peaceful sleep. So peaceful sleep, I'm guaranteeing it. See, people are unhappy not with the things. People are unhappy with the people alone, or people created things. Again, I'm saying people are not unhappy with the things. People are unhappy with the people. I understand mistakes are there in their side only. I understand mistakes are in fully in the side of them, not in your side. But still you are injuring, hurting, pains lot. See, for all the world problem, only one reason. That is what today's topic is all about. உலக துன்பத்துக்கு காரணமே அதுதான். There is a saying, no, in Tamil, தீதும் நன்றும் பிறதரவாரா. Because you are the reason for all what you are now. If you are happy, you are the reason. If you are sorrow, you are the reason, sole reason. So if you want to tune something, first tune yourself, compose yourself. Like social distancing against COVID 19. We should have a distancing. More you are so close to someone, and there is a disease like COVID 19, the disease named saturation will come. Tegatal, no? There is one quote, one proverb. Familiarity breeds contempt. Palaga palaga palum pulikum. Again, if you're so close, no, so when something is unlimited, no, when something is unlimited, when elixir is served more, it will be saturated for everyone. Alavukku minjinal amirdam nanji in Tamil. Again, you get hurted, you learn lesson out of it, and again you think what I should do so that I will have a very peaceful sleep. Because people are not ready to read the open book. So many quotes that are saying message to us. You are the one reason for your what you are now. If you are happy, you are the reason. If you are sorrow, you are the reason. So I am happy with the things and people. But people are so unhappy, not with the things, but people are unhappy with the people. That is the problem. Which means what? Nature is not problem, nature is okay. What I made is a problem. With the relationship with the human being is the problem. Artificial, totally artificial. As I said, no, people are unhappy not with the things, which means things are okay, natural things are okay. People are unhappy with the people. So the best solution is, now I am happy with all is, best solution is being a human being, role play. That is what today's topic is all about, role play. Role play is a very crucial thing. Role play. Role play is very important. When you are in a home, there are roles: husband, father, family head. When you are going for organization, maybe manager, assistant manager. If you are working in college, maybe the professor or HOD. Or if you are a student, I am talking about, if you are a student, then you are a student. And if you are society, you are one more societal animal, because man is a social animal now. So role is very important. If you are going to the relative home, there you are playing the role of uncle and grandpa, and what to say, there are so many roles: paternal uncle, maternal uncle. So role play matters a lot. If any role is misplayed, there the problem is. So role play is very important. Role play is very, very important. See, for example, no, we have just gone to the my uncle home, and I was played with my daughter, and my uncle said to me, why you are playing to the child? You have grown and now you are professor. I replied with a strong message: role play is very important, uncle. If I play like this now in college, going here and there and underlying myself in under the cart, that will become a big problem. No, I will get slipper slap even. And if I react like a professor to my daughter, no, I'm professor, don't come to me, that is not a right thing. Role play is role play. If I'm in home, I must be a good father to my child. If I must be in a college, I must be a good professor. There I should not become like a father. If someone calls me father, I say I'm a very good faculty, I'm a very good professor. The title is very clear, no? Role play must be role play. ஆசாசியாக பேர் வச்சுருப்போம் நம்ம பையனுக்கோ பொண்ணுக்கோ, அதை தவிர்த்து மித்த எல்லா பேரும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது, செல்லம், தங்கம், ஓகே. பட் நேம் எதுக்காக வச்சது? ரோல் பிளே. ரோல் பிளே இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். எனி ரோல்ஸ் மிஸ்பிளேட்னோ இன் காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்னோ, நீ எனக்கு அக்கா மாதிரி, யூ ஆர் லைக் சிஸ்டர் டு மீ அண்ட் யூ ஆர் லைக் பிரதர் டு மீ. ஃபென்சிங் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப், அ சேஃப் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப். Colleague is okay, colleague. Why you are bringing a sister relationship there? And when your mother, when your wife is cooking very well, you say you are like my mother. Mother's cooking is mother's cooking, and mother cooking will never be someone cooking, and wife cooking will not be others cooking. Wife's cooking is wife cooking, and mother's cooking is mother's cooking. Role play. You are like mother to me. Then how can you do? Okay, I don't want to say anything. Role play must be role play. Crystal clear, perfect, exact relationship role play. There only organization politics are happening. You're revealing everything because you think that he is brother for you, and you think that she is sister for you. Revealing all the personal things. And if you are revealing so personal things to other one, you become slave. Organization politics, there it comes. Many statistics says organization politics are arising due to the what to say, role play, role misplay. See, no mercy in war is invited. Inside office and outside office, you go anywhere and have a relationship, friendship, anything okay. But inside organization must be very clear in a role play. If not, no, the problem will arise. You should differentiate yourself from the office and outside of the office. Role play is very important, especially in organization, anywhere. அக்கா மாதிரி, தம்பி மாதிரி, தங்கச்சி மாதிரி காப்பாற்றிட்டே இருக்கணும். கிளாஸ்மேட் இஸ் அ கிளாஸ்மேட், colleague is a colleague, wife is a wife, never gonna be a mother. Friend is a friend, clear. Any role misplayed, no, there the problem comes. Sister மாறுறது, இங்கே வந்து you behave like a what accountant inside home, inside you behave like a professor. Role play must be role play, and role misplayed, so many problems are coming. My mamanar is not respecting me because you are so close. My mamiar is not respecting me because you are so close. Role play. Father-in-law must be father-in-law, mother-in-law must be mother-in-law, son-in-law must be son-in-law. I understand you are showering love, okay, but positively. See, it is negatively correlated. Actually, it should be positively correlated. More love, more affection, more care, more respect has to come, more honoring has to come. But here it is happening reversingly, negatively correlated. If you are showing more love, more affection, more care, people are not interested in you. That's what I'm saying. Go for exact role play. And there are effects of misplay. When you are misplay, no, you feel anxiety, and also 24/7 you are thinking about that people in a restroom, in a taking bathroom, thinking about not enjoying the bathing. Everywhere you are thinking about them. Become so sleepless and gossiping to someone about the same, and putting into the WhatsApp status that he has done something to me, and spending too much of time googling a best quotes which is hurting them. Is it a life? And giving up your own closed relative to someone, even you're giving up your father and mother, sister to someone. This all happens because of role misplay. Role play must be role play. If I cannot able to play role correctly, sir, என்னால் பண்ண முடியாது, I cannot, sir, because I want to love everyone. If you cannot do, no, then you must be a god. Play the role of godliness. That's okay, no problem. Godliness, overflow of love, give overflow of love, abundance of love to everyone. சார், என்னால் ரோல் பிளே நான் ப்ளே பண்ண முடியாது, எல்லாட்டையும் இப்படி தான் இருக்க முடியும், எல்லாட்டையும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்க முடியும், அன்பாக தான் பழக முடியும், என்கிட்ட வந்து ஐ கேனாட் ஏபிள் டு கிவ் லிமிட்டட் லவ் டு சம் அதர் கை அண்ட் அன்லிமிட்டட் லவ் டு சம் ஒன் கை. ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஷவர் மோர் லவ். தென் ஹாவ் அ காட்லினஸ் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் மைண்ட். யார் என்ன சொன்னாலும் வாங்கிக்கணும். பி அக்செப்ட் வாட் எவர் த வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் கிவிங் டு யூ. யூ கிவ் வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்டட் டு கிவ். காட்லினஸ் ஃபீல் இருக்கணும். If they show how bad they are, you show how good you are. They are showing what they are having, you show what you are having. That's no problem. Detached life is very important. If not, you are taking the role play into the mind. Go for detached life. Detached life means not pattatru valu illa passionless life. I am saying detached life, the definition of detached life is doesn't mean that you are out of the people. You are in the people, you are in the crowd, but nothing affects you. That is what detached life. No, sir, I'm striving hard to raise my so super god in from myself. Then there is no idea, my dear. Go for role play. Role play is very very important. If roles are played correctly, no problem at all. Again I'm saying, for a peaceful sleep, role play is very important. Again I'm saying, people are unhappy not with the things, people are unhappy with the people, or people are unhappy with the people created things. So play the role perfectly and avoid all the problem. Shower the love, shower the love to your loved one. யாருக்கிட்ட எந்த அளவு கொடுக்க முடியும் அந்த அளவு தான் கொடுக்க முடியும். பிகாஸ் தே ரெக்வயர் தட் மச் ஒன்லி. வென் யூ ஆர் கிவிங் ஓவர் லவ், நோ, இட் பிகம்ஸ் அட்வான்டேஜஸ் ஃபார் சம் ஒன். ஓகே, தே ஆர் மேனுஃபேக்சர்டு. ஸோ அப்படி தான் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவங்கள்ட்ட போய் அதிகமாக நீ கொடுக்க முடியாது. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் ஐம் சேயிங்? ஸோ ரோல் பிளே இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். Again I'm saying, you are the reason for what you are now. A happy and sorrow, you are the sole reason. Teedum nandrum peradara. So role play is very very important. Play the role correctly. Any role which is giving to you, husband, father, professor, or a bank manager, that role has to be played correctly. Even in a lunch time in your office too, do not give up. Okay, thank you, love you all, bye.